Good morning. So I was out playing with my drone and my GoPro and riding the bike and trying to get this thing to follow me. And I kind of got it to follow me. There was one moment here where I accelerated and it took off. But I thought I'd use this opportunity to introduce my next video. So let's get into it. Well, I've got some new parts for the bike. I found these parts on eBay. They were listed as OEM mirrors and foot pegs for KLX 250, but obviously these are not OEM, these are Doubletake, and I got them significantly cheaper than you would have to pay for a brand new set of Doubletakes. And these, I don't know if these are IMS, but they look like IMS, but they have no IMS stamping anywhere on them, so doesn't matter, they're still like good quality. These things are super good quality. Like this even came with the bracket that bolts onto the KLX, so I'm just going to replace this whole thing. This ram ball is a little worn. May have to replace that in the future. But let's throw these things on real quick. Sick. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. Let's see. Set it. And that's pretty solid. You can move the whole bike like that. I like it. And then when you don't want them out, like you're in the brush or something, you loosen them, you fold them down. Okay, let's do these pegs. A quick side by side of how much bigger these pegs are. It's pretty crazy. But it looks like we just slide this out. There's a cotter pin on the other side. And we just make sure that this spring stays in place. Right there. Just get this guy off. Push it through. Perf. Here I got these new foot pegs installed. This is like almost twice as wide. It's pretty crazy how thin the stock ones are. But that should make standing a lot more comfortable when riding off-road. Next project for the bike is going to be getting these handguards on. I bought this tap, well, I borrowed this tap, and I got these, this is the same thread pitch as the tap. What I'm going to do is try to drill and tap the ends there on the bars and see if I can bolt these in. I actually test fitted these and they don't really work, so I ordered another set, so I actually can't finish this today. I have to wait till those get delivered. But I'm going to drill and tap those right now. Okay, so I got this bar end tapped. It's 8mm 1.25. Basically just drill and tap, nothing special. That just threads all the way in. Let me show you the other side, what I'm planning to do. On this left side here, I got this mocked up. I'm gonna just bolt it straight onto the end here. I'm probably gonna have to play around with this clutch lever. I'm gonna move it inward slightly so I can actually use my clutch lever. But here, I have this thing on the stock bar, which doesn't let me use the clamps that I have. So I bought some Zeta clamps, which should be able to go here, because it has a piece that like bends out. It's a 2-piece design, or a 3-piece design. We'll see, I get those tomorrow. There's a chance that I may have to do some modification to this. I don't know, we'll see tomorrow when I get those bar clamps. So the next day rolled around and I got those bar clamps, but they were actually a little too short. But I used some washers as spacers, as you'll see here in a second, and mounted them onto the handlebars. And then I found that I needed to shorten the handguard a little bit because of where I was going to place those clamps. And here you see me using those washers. It's kind of ghetto, but I may do like a steel sleeve just to use it as an extension. But it works, and it's all good hardware. And now I have handguards, so I don't have to worry about busting my levers when I fall, which is inevitable. This is ghetto, but it works. Wow, that looks fantastic. And I ended up trimming the end off, and this is the final product. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna put the little handguard pieces on because it's summer and my hands are gonna get hot, so I'll keep it off for the airflow. But let's take this thing for a ride. Let's take this thing for a little ride. The footpegs feel amazing. Feels like I'm standing on the ground. That's pretty cool. But I'm out here practicing this morning on the dirt again. This bike's pretty quick actually, off-road. I mean, it feels just as quick as my XR was. Whoop, whoop. But if you're still with me, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys like this style video with the bike. I plan on doing some adventures with this thing. Some solo bike camping or something. Just hanging out in the desert this summer and up in the mountains. So, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Thanks for watching. I forgot how much fun it is riding in the dirt. You can just really haul ass out here. I'm doing 50 miles an hour sometimes. Alright, here comes a whoop. Slow down. Unload. Power through. my feet. Alright, that's the end of the road. God, that's so much fun. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'm going home.